Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the exact steps to log into your iStock contributor account with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel. Logging into your iStock contributor account is the gateway to sharing your creative work with a global audience and managing your contributions seamlessly. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Then enter the official iStock website URL into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the contributor login option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the contributor login link to proceed to the sign-in page. Here you will be prompted to enter your registered email address or username. Make sure you type it exactly as you used during registration. Next, enter your password carefully. It's important to double-check for any uppercase or lowercase letters, as passwords are case-sensitive. After filling in your login details, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your contributor dashboard, where you can manage your portfolio, upload images, track earnings, and update your profile. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link underneath the login fields. Click it and follow the instructions to reset your password via your registered email. If you encounter any issues logging in, such as not remembering your username or problems with your account access, visit the Help Center or contact iStock support for assistance. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your login credentials secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. That's all there is to logging into your iStock contributor account step by step. Now, you are ready to navigate your dashboard and continue contributing your amazing content. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.